So today I want to go over 3 reasons why beginners should not flip mobile homes. And please stay till the end because the last one is essential. Let's go. New investors love the idea of flipping, okay? I did too, so I totally get it. There are dozens of ways to invest in real estate. I just don't recommend starting out with this one, and I'm gonna tell you why.
Thanks for coming back to the channel. We're basically documenting our real estate journey from total beginner to financially free, and hopefully inspiring you to get started today. Now back to it.
Okay, so reason number 1, if you're a beginner to not flip is you're working alone, okay? Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah, when you're first starting out, like we did, you want to bring in some experts, some people that can help you with the construction.
Design, that's my favorite part. And we also recommend trying to find a local mentor. We were lucky to find an amazing mentor in our hometown who we spend lots of time at their office, traveling out to their own flips that we're not even a part of, and just learning and absorbing as much as we can. So don't work alone. Find a team, learn to delegate, and if you have zero construction background, bring on some contractors. Please, they know how to do it right. Reason number 2, you don't have any extra money, or it's very easy to run out of money. There's always something lurking in the shadows. As much as you plan, as much as you inspect a property, and especially if you don't get the property at a deep enough discount, when it comes up that the AC breaks a day before you're showing the property, you're gonna be in a whole lot of trouble. So make sure you budget, and find the most cost-effective supplies. Work with someone who's done it so they know those surprises, maybe have those connections for when something pops up unexpectedly. And it will happen, just count on it happening. And mobile homes themselves have a whole nother world of problems, from foundation to what lurks under the mobile home. I mean, the list just goes on. So if you don't have any extra money to allocate towards these unexpected surprises, definitely hold off until you have those resources, have a construction loan that has, plenty of buffer, and then get into flipping when you're comfortable with, your budget.
Okay, so the last one is essential. You don't know your market that well, okay? And this could kill the whole deal. We're out here in Hemet, California. We're flipping mobile homes. There's a ton of different mobile home parks. Now, specifically when it comes to mobile homes, you want to pull your comps from within the same park. So for example, this park right here, the mobile homes can get up to about 250,000. The park right next door, because it's on leased land, the mobile homes only go up to 70,000. So if you don't do that calculation correctly and you think you're flipping a mobile home and you're gonna get 250,000, but it's in a park where they only sell for 70,000, you're gonna find yourself in a world of hurt. So if you don't know your market well and you're a beginner, just don't flip mobile homes. So wait until you get those skills down to comp out properties and you figure out what your after repair value is. Now, there are a million reasons you should be flipping, but these 3 elements can quickly turn your fix and flip into a project gone wrong. You guys won't believe this last project that we just got. It's a 1971 double wide. Watch this video to see our initial walkthrough.